मखदूम साहब आप जरा पहले रिव्यू पे आ जाए, ये बातें तो उसके बाद होंगी कि हम आप रिव्यू.
I feel obligated to answer the query.
I wanted to understand the point.
So the point
That's
is
only for my concern.
Yeah, your ladyship, the point is dealt with in the majority judgment as well as in the minority judgment. They
Sir,
say
I think short brief is required because so many honorable members were not the members of the original bench.
My lord.
So at least for their own conscience
Lord,
and
may I explain?
they need some
यहाँ
facts.
क्वेश्चन वही कर रहे हैं जो ऑलरेडी अपना व्यू पॉइंट बता चुके हैं सब.
Your ladyship, this is dealt with
मैं समझने की.
in the majority judgment. May I explain? These persons joined, these elected returned candidates joined Sunni Ittihad Council. Sunni Ittihad Council was a political party which had not contested the general elections, which had not secured any seat in the general elections. Even its chairman, the appellant number 2, had not contested the general elections on the seat of the Sunni Ittihad Council. And the court therefore unanimously ruled that under Article 51, read with Article 106 of the Constitution, these persons could not have joined the Sunni Ittihad Council, and the Sunni Ittihad Council was not entitled to any reserved seats.
Sorry sir, थोड़ा सा correction कर दें. The independents were entitled, they can join Sunni Ittihad, but not for the purpose of reserved seats.
Yes. Sir, anyone can join any political party within 3 days.
तो मखदूम साहब, I'm sorry, I'm not to cut you. जो पार्टी ऑलरेडी इलेक्शन जीत के अंदर आई है, क्या उसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, या बाहर जो बैठी है, which has not contested any election, if I contest election in independent capacity, और मैं अंदर आके पार्लियामेंट के अंदर जाके कहूँ कि मैं बाहर जो इलेक्शन में नहीं जीत के नहीं आई है, तो मैं उसको ज्वाइन करती हूँ.
All 13 members unanimously hold that they could not have so joined. This is a point dealt with, and Sunni Ittihad Council has not sought a review of that. This is a point dealt with unanimously. All 13 members.
Sorry to say, सबने ये नहीं कहा. मैं थोड़ा सा distinction दे रहा हूँ इसलिए कि my judgment is somewhat different from that. मैंने इस हद तक कहा जब हम 2 मेंबर थे कि any candidate जो इंडिपेंडेंट है वो किसी भी पार्टी, कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जो कि रजिस्टर हो, उसको ज्वाइन कर सकता है. लेकिन जहाँ तक सीट की बात है, ये रिजर्व सीट किसे मिलेंगी, हमने कहा उससे मिलेगी जिन्होंने इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट की. क्योंकि सुन्नी इत्तेहाद ने इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट नहीं किया था, ये कैंडिडेट शामिल हो सकते हैं उनमें, लेकिन सीट के हकदार नहीं होंगे, रिजर्व सीट के हकदार.
My lord.
और वो पार्टीज जिन्होंने इलेक्शन जीता, बेशक एक सीट जीती हो, तो उसमें अगर आज़ाद उम्मीदवार शामिल हो जाएंगे, तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट स्ट्रेंथ, तादाद उसमें शामिल होने के बाद फिर रिजर्व सीट.
That's correct. Maybe I was not clear in my submission. My submission is that all 13 members of this honorable court held that a political party which had not contested the general elections and had not secured a single seat as a result of the general elections will not be entitled to reserved seats simply on the basis that independent candidates have joined it. And on that basis, all 13 members were unanimous in the dismissal of the 2 review petitions, of the 2 appeals filed by the Sunni Ittihad Council. So the submission.
वो बाद में पार्टी जो पार्लियामेंट में पार्लिमानी पार्टी बना सकते हैं, जी, लेकिन वो रिजर्व सीट के हकदार नहीं होंगे.
Correct, my lord. My lord, under Article 17, paragraph 2. The fundamental right is to join or form any political party.
मखदूम साहब, अब हमें ये बता दे, वो 13 मेंबर्स ने जो डिसाइड किया, लीव दैट असाइड, हमें इतना बता दे कि मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि जो पार्टी कोई इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करके अंदर जाएगी एज अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, तो जो इंडिपेंडेंट कंटेस्ट करके आएंगे तो उनके पास फिर चॉइस होगी, जो अंदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज मौजूद हैं, जीत कर आई, उनमें से किसी को ज्वाइन कर, ना कि वो जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी तो है लेकिन उन्होंने इलेक्शन ही नहीं किया, वो अंदर असेंबली में आए नहीं है, तो वो किस तरह उस पार्टी को ज्वाइन करें?
That is correct. That is the correct view of the law, and that is the view of the law which has been enunciated by the 13 members of this honorable court unanimously that they may join anyone, but they will not be entitled to reserved seats on the basis of such a joinder.